What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Cardbreak & We're getting ready for our break, $5.91. 3-box mini break, Hit Parade, Ice, and SP game used. Teams are not done. We're going to do them here right now, of course, so we're live. Good luck. We got Minnesota and Vegas doubled up on this one. 909 and Newfoundland, Brian to Brian. And Anaheim to Winnipeg. We got Mini and Vegas doubled, as you can see. Good luck. Let's start with the teams. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 909. 909 it is. Let's do the last one. Timestamp on 4. Ottawa on top of the list. Okay, 4 timestamps is at 909 and 9 just turned 9:10. So let's copy these over. Ottawa, top spot. Vancouver at the halfway mark. Ottawa, Vancouver, Toronto to San Jose. There's your teams. Now let's figure out the names and match them up with. It's still 9:10. Brian, and everybody in between. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp is our second break of the night. We're coming back with one more after this. It's a case of Premier. Should be interesting. 3, timestamp on 3, 9:10. 9:10. Last and final will do it for us. Fourth timestamp, 9:10. And 9:10 it is. Let's copy them over. Braden to Jarvis. Braden to Jarvis, and Terry to Braden. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll copy them and put them into the group, into the comments, and you guys got 20 minutes for trades. We'll see you soon. Best of luck.